Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be showcasing 1221 Oley Street, Reading, Pennsylvania, 19604. The owner did some amazing renovations to the property. And we're going to take a minute to showcase them for you. Let's go inside. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm your local realtor, Valentin. Iron Valley Real Estate in Berks County, and today we are showcasing this beautiful, fully renovated 4-bedroom, 1-bath home in traditional Reading, Pennsylvania, with a zip code of 19604. This home is a landmark home built in 1912. It's a traditional row home in the city of Reading, Pennsylvania, which many people call the Pagoda City. Just wanted to take you on a tour, and when we're done, if you have any questions, you can email me, text me, call me about this property or any other property you may be interested in Pennsylvania, and I'd be happy to help you. So come on, let's take a tour of 1221 Oley Street, the Oley. Let's go. So as we enter the home, you can see that the floors have been fully renovated. The entire unit has been upgraded and renovated with beautiful gray painting, hardwood flooring, closets. Gray and white is the pattern for this particular unit. This is the dining room area. We're stepping into the kitchen. Every room in the house has plenty of sun. Here we have a mud room, which has been upgraded. Takes you out into the cute backyard area. Turn it around, we'll walk back in. Entering the kitchen has been upgraded. New countertops, new backsplash. Got some closets back there. Floors are redone. And we're gonna bring it upstairs. This is where we entered from, the dining room area. You have a closet. Every room has at least 3 or 4 outlets. This is the living room where we just entered in from. That is the door exiting. Throughout the house, we have ceiling fans installed. Again, the owner did amazing work. Okay, as we take it upstairs to enter the second floor of the home, this is where the majority of the bedrooms are. And if we walk straight, we'll just enter into bedroom number 1, which also has been upgraded with ceiling fans. The room gets plenty of sun. We have the shades down right now, but you can see even with the shades, it's a sun-drenched unit. Turn this way. We'll walk into bedroom number 2. As you can see, the entire unit is uniform with the gray and white patterns. Room has a window, great heating and ventilation, another closet. We'll enter into the master bedroom. Same gray uniform. Ceiling fans throughout. Now we'll enter into the upstairs area with a full bedroom. Fully redone. Huge. Custom lighting. As you can see throughout the home, there's plenty of outlets. And we also have an electrical heating system that kicks great heat up here. So you don't have to worry about, always keep in mind heat rises also. The roof of this home has recently been redone. Fire alarms and carbon monoxide alarms throughout the home to keep up with the city of Reading coding. We'll take it back downstairs. Back down to the rooms. We're gonna showcase the bathroom now. As we enter the room, exit the rooms, we enter the bathroom. The owner did some very nice custom work to the bathroom. With the gold fixtures throughout. New cabinets, new vanity. Very nicely done renovations with the gold and white patterns. This is the foil area again. You can bring this downstairs. Again, this is the living room that we entered from.